Um, I did make some progress on Studio over the week, but I haven't finished it yet. And I didn't feel like doing game dev stuff, so we'll do some more of this. Um, if that's boring to you,
Yo.
hey, feel free to, I don't know, play some video games or something. Okay, so Studio, right. Um, yeah, hold on. Why is this still screwed up? Oh, right, because I have something that's not quite right. What is going on now? There should be a second button in the thingy. Uh, oh, whoops. Right. That's how that works. Yeah. There we go. There we go. It's kind of annoying that for the treehouse I need to constantly switch between workspaces. Usually I have the browser preview on my second monitor, which is far more convenient, but I guess I'll have to make do. And they're just eating right now, so. Alright. Why are you on spotty Wi-Fi? Are you like like not at home or something? On holidays? How did I solve this in the other thingy? Hold on. Oh, I had a nav. Okay. Makes a lot of sense. Uh, That's not what I want. There we go, that's better. I see. Wait, make a second LAN cable? Don't you mean buying one? So, okay. One thing I've been thinking about is this top spot here, this gap here. I've been thinking about instead increasing this to... Oh wait, that's not it. Wait, why is there
Nara, I think I still have a ton of cable and the crimps.
Okay. So I've been thinking about what is this garbage? Okay. So I've been thinking about making this gap like bigger. Instead of having just white background, displaying a particular upload here. So one thing is that you can choose a sort of, okay, you can't see it here because it's not implemented, but one thing you can do is choose like a cover image or a primary showcase image, which on the home thing is always displayed in first, and then there's like recent uploads. So I've been thinking about whether it would make sense to have that displayed up here somehow, but I'm not sure how much I like that idea, since it just, you know, it takes up a lot of space. But otherwise, the problem sort of becomes that the cover image is only visible on here. That's kind of a waste. It makes it less useful. So I don't know what to do about that. Let me see here. Fix the header, info. So we would have a... Oh. Maybe it's only visible on like the first page, so if you're on page 0, but I don't know. I don't really... Things like this are difficult because you don't... It's always a compromise between like visual flair and snazziness and I suppose usability. Because obviously, like for someone who comes to your profile for the first time, it's great if you have like a specific work that is displayed and promoted, that is sort of especially good or representative of your stuff. But if you're like a returning visitor, you probably don't want to see this over and over again. So for instance, oh, not... Definitely not this. Nice URL though. Like, for instance, on Twitter, they do this kind of thing. And it's kind of annoying to me. Like, because Twitter is not an art site. So the header is kind of, it takes up so much space, and it, like, the focus of your page is immediately on the header and on the avatar because they're so huge. And then, like, the tweets are almost a side thought. They're almost, like, not visible at all. So that's kind of an odd design decision in my eyes. But I think it will be more justifiable to have this kind of thing in on a an art focused kind of deal. But I still not sure how much I like it. But still, I do think I need to do something more with the cover image. So let me just. Mm-hmm. Okay. That'll at least get it in there. Into the information. Yes, okay. Another thing is the question of how to actually display this cover. So for instance, since not all images have, a very wide format, and you could potentially, scale this browser to very wide, the question becomes, what do you do if you run out of space? And how do you crop the image potentially? So actually, let's see how Twitter does this. Twitter has like fairly wide things. Let me see. Okay, yeah, I just capped it at one point. That's what I thought. Okay. Yes. Probably don't want a thumbnail for that. Okay. Alright, let's make an upload. What kind of images do I have lying around? I have meat, but people probably don't want to look at that. Alright, let's see here. My hands are kind of hurting tonight because I've been spending almost all day drawing. I'm working on a comic, but recently I've been getting some kind of pains in my hands if I overexert them, which is quite worrying to say the least.
Fuck more meat.
Meat, you say? Alright. Well, meat is like, it's not, it's vertical, not horizontal, so it doesn't really fit for a cover thingy. Plus, pincers would probably get mad at me for putting meat on there. So hard to resist, though. Let's just fucking use this, I guess.
More
Okay.
meat.
Did it crash? Fuck. Oh, title. Okay. Whoa, what? Undefined? What the fuck? Fine, let's use this instead. Why did it not? Ah, God, I need to. The JS needs to be fixed. Fuck. How do you, like, cause a form to validate? You can't trigger the native validation UI. Great. Oh my god. Okay, actually, I don't need to check these, but I do need to check that. Actually, what's the precise API for this crap? Okay. Okay. Okay, so now I should be unable to refile in invalid shit. Okay, good. Alright, now which ID does this have? 22. Hmm. Oh wait, what? Oh god, my browser crashed. Good, good stuff. Thank you, Vivaldi. Very stable. Stable stuff. Great, great show. It's been doing that more often as of late. I don't know why. Give me a second, need to fix up my goddamn Windows again. Existence is pain. Thank God for the replay feature of live chat. Feels like it was never even gone. Okay. Alright, it shows up. So far, so good. Now then. CSS bullshit. Cover. Say 300 pixels, maybe. Fuck off. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Boom. Okay. Go back, asshole. Oh my god. You would think that with the amount of time that is put into browsers, they would have figured out how to not make these pieces of shit crash by now, but nope. You know what the best thing is about browsers? Sometimes when I'm watching videos, it manages to freeze my entire desktop. Not just the browser window, but the entire desktop. It's amazing. It's great. I love it. Anyway. Why is it not? Hmm. What kind of magic incantation do I need this time? Please tell me. Thanks in advance. I need to change this stuff to... Why is this not... Oh, now it is. Alright, that looks pretty okay. If I can have it so that... And a hover max height. Nice. I like that. Really, can we make it... What happens if I do that? Yeah, it doesn't know how to animate it. Thought so. How about
Cool,
90?
looks legit.
Yes. Quite like that, yeah. That's pretty good. I really like that CSS added added features for transitions and animations, so you don't need to use fucking JavaScript for all that bullshit. Yeah, this is nice. What's... is there a way to... CS transition delay? Is there a way to make a delay? Because I would like it. Yes, there is. Very nice. Okay. Is there a way to add it in the standard transition thing? What's the syntax for this? I don't know how to read this syntax. Why don't people just use BNF for everything? I don't understand. I don't think I can. Fine. Ah. Okay, that's good. So if people zoom over it quickly with the mouse, it doesn't automatically fire. That's very good. Liking it. Okay. What would be even nicer is if at the bottom it would show the title of the image. So let's see if we can get that going. CTML. Right, so... Okay, getting there. No, it just needs to... probably push this up to 2em. Yes. That work? Yes! Very nice. Look at that. Almost perfect. Nice. Let's add a text and then a white space. No wrap, I believe. I always forget what the name is of that stupid property. No, that's extremely not what I clicked on. It is good. Maybe make the title right aligned so it doesn't interfere with the avatar. I'm not sure. Wait, what? Ah, fuck you. I'm confused. Why is the padding not going up? Yeah. Strange. Because of the width thingy? It's already a block, so I don't understand. Right, I think the flex box overrides it. Yes, okay, now it should be fine. Yes. Good. Okay, we need some padding. I'm not sure why there's more padding on the top than on the bottom. It's confusing me a bit. So because... yeah, okay. Yeah, this is nice. I like this quite a bit. Okay. I've had another thing that like is so fucking annoying I don't even know how to talk about this. I posted on Twitter about it. I don't have to screenshot anymore right now, so I added the ability to make posts public, hidden, or private. And I would have liked to display some icons next to this, but unfortunately, the way a combo box like this works is that it doesn't accept other HTML elements for a choice. So you can only use text. As a sort of a workaround, what you can do is you can set the font of this thing to that of the icons, and then simply input the direct Unicode characters that represent the icons. And that should work, but it doesn't. Not always, anyway. Look at this shit. What is this? Twitter, please show me the entire image. Like, what? Why? It like refuses to render some glyphs, even though they're valid characters that are present in that font. I don't understand. Makes no sense. Anyway, the web is terrible, and I don't understand why so many people want to use it as their platform of choice to write desktop apps. Makes me mad. Mad as hell. Alright, anyway. Oh, by the way, I also implemented this, so you can undo deletions, and you can reorder things, so if you have different kinds of images, you can change their order around.
Was that happening in the more popular browser too?
This is based on Chromium, so I'm pretty sure they didn't change anything about that particular thing. But anyway, yeah, you can reorder things and stuff. So, new things, yay! Anyway. Ooh, this isn't good. Yeah. Okay. Because this is shown as, or chosen as the cover image now, it also shows this. Since it's a recent upload. I guess it's fine, maybe. I don't know. Kind of bothersome. Can I maybe get this going? I think Chromium. What's the market share of Chrome? It's probably above 50% by now. Yeah. 58%. So I don't know. It's not just a problem I have. I looked around and other people have the same issue. Or like discovered the same problem. And as far as I know, there's no real solution. What you can do instead is some really stupid bullshit where you basically you hide away the actual select form and render your own form in its place, and then you add some JavaScript bullshit to synchronize the two. And that's the kind of stuff that makes me fucking have my brain fluid leak out of my eyeballs. So it's just, yeah.
Black.
Yes. It used to be much worse before HTML5 came out, because at that point you pretty much had to like style everything using that kind of trick. It was just horrible. Anyway, so that takes care of the cover image, which is quite nice. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now, another problem is I don't know where to put the gallery description, which is another thing you can do. Also, let me just try this again. Yes, good, okay. Thank you. Does that now? Let me submit some other shit. Here's meat. Meat. So another thing is we need a button or some kind of way to actually choose the cover image. Right now I just use the REPL to do it. But obviously that's not gonna fly. So I don't quite know what to do with that. Right. I wanted to see if I could filter out the uploads that are shown for the gallery for the front page. Yes. I think I can do that. Really? Huh? Wait, what? That's a violation of the spec, isn't it? Hold on. DB query. Oh, it's in bang. Why is it a bang? Why did I do that? What? Oh my god. That's terrible. I should not be doing that. Yeah, I need to change this. Balls. Contribs. And the light database.
That is awful.
Yes. I don't know why I did that. Rookie mistakes. And now it's already there, so I need backwards compatibility. Yay. And then for postmodern query. Fortunately, it's an easy fix. Let me also specify that. Change the spec. Radiance. Documentation. Database query. The fuck is it? There it is. Okay, that requires another version bump. 1.4. 1.4. There we go. Good vibrations. Okay. Gradients is the project I've spent probably at this point still the most time on, and it's also the one that is most solidly thought out, but even still, there's frequently things that I've missed or underspecified or like didn't put clearly enough. I need to go back and clarify and change. Yeah. Turns out writing specifications is difficult. Who knew? Anyway, so that should ensure that on the front page, name should not show up twice, but it does. Why? Oh, because I'm an idiot. Who knew? Yes, good. There we go. The chat is here because I streamed to 2 different services at once, so instead I just redirect everyone to one place. That's one reason. Another reason is I hate Twitch and YouTube chat. They're terrible. So I've wrote my own, which I like, which you might find terrible, but that's fine. Anyway, okay. It has image posting. You can link things. You can create new channels. It is synchronized with other chats that happen on the same network. It has emotes that I like that I don't need to pay for. It does not require registering an account anywhere. You can just choose a username and go. Lots of things. Alright, okay, so with that fixed, there needs to be a way. Because streaming actually takes quite a lot of resources and is not easy to set up, and I don't want to pay the traffic for it. When there's already streaming platforms there, just fine. Redirection chat would still only make it a one-way communication channel, which is not great. You don't need to be on 2 web pages, you only need to be on one, which is my streaming page. Since Twitch chat can be viewed, Twitch stream can be viewed from here as well. Either way, I got plenty of reasons for doing it like this. And I don't mind if I lose chatters because of it. Alright, Wow. Coming all the way here just to complain about it. Nice. Good shit, my man. Oh, I guess some people don't have anything better to do. I mean, this is kind of funny to me. You know, coming all the way over here and then just leaving again. What's the point? You already exerted the effort. Anywho, right, so look at meat. Okay. What, you mean meat? Aw, dude. Fine. uh This is the best thing. uh, nice. Excellent. Uh, Having a good time. uh, anyway, I noticed something weird, which is um that for some reason the cover image is stretched. I'm not entirely sure why that is. Um,
Why must you make me suffer?
because it's funny. I really enjoyed Chris's reaction to me yesterday. Hmm. Is there a way to constrain proportions? Okay. Right, object fit is I think what I need. Except then it doesn't do what I want. Ah, thought that was gonna happen. Maybe this. I think this doesn't squash it anymore. Yeah, that's better. Okay, good. My music ran out, so I need to put on something new. Sure. Okay, so now you can choose the cover, you can edit things, all of that fun stuff. Yeah, that's not good. What was it? Text transform something to make it like capitalized or like only the first one? Let me choose the property, asshole. Capitalize, I think it was, right? Except it doesn't work.
So much drama for a no sign up chat. That guy's a muppet.
Yes. I don't know. I guess there's just like a lot of people that feel they need to voice their opinion, which is fine. Which is fine. It's just I just find it ironic to go through the effort of showing up for a chat that is offsite just to leave again after saying that it's stupid. I mean, at that point, you've already exerted the effort to get here, so I don't know. Why is not...
Totally.
So... Ah, fuck this. I'll just do it server side. What was it? String capitalize, I believe? String capitalize. Yes, good. Okay. There we go. Whoops. Thanks, pincers. Why is it not adding that fucking space here? Guess it's not displaying it. Annoying. Fine. Oh, wait, that wasn't even the right... wasn't even the right thing. No, wait, never mind. Okay, fuck this. Let me just do it differently altogether. Splice. There we go. So if I had some fucking text speed. Yes, okay, good. Right, so this is the problem now. I think I'll just add the cover everywhere, maybe? No. For people who haven't chosen the cover anyway, it shouldn't show up, and it shouldn't have this thing. Is there a negative look back for selectors on adjacent things? Something, something. Gallery. Cover. I think cover plus info. Okay. Yes, excellent. That's all I needed. Good. Alrighty.
How fancy.
Yes. Pretty neat. I really wish the fucking scroll bar didn't pop in and out though. Wonder if I should make it appear always on galleries, just to avoid that. I think I might make it appear always. Flow Y. Wait, no, it's not always, it's scroll. Yes. There we go. Much more smooth. I'm sorry. Fuck.
Maximum meat.
Why is the cover not showing up as the first thing, though? That's confusing me right now. Since this is this is still set as the cover, right? Yes. So, why? Is it like some kind of inverse thingy? No, it doesn't seem that way. Why? Okay, let me make a new upload. See if that helps. Let me post some stuff that isn't mine. Here we go. Why is it still coming lost? Is it not? Is that nil? What? Okay. Ugh. I'm really way too used to having lots of horizontal screen space. Why is it not finding this? And why is it a string? Oh god. Oh god. I think I know why. This is not good. Validation failed me. So during development, I'm using a in-memory database, an object database that doesn't do any kind of type checking on the contents of entries in the database. So lots of subtle things that will get caught by a relational database are go under the radar sometimes. DB sure ID. That's the ticket. Yep. Okay. And let me set this correctly. That's the cover. Good. Yes. Okay, good. I chose that correctly. Probably should also show that it is the cover if it is. So let me see if I can do that. View. Hmm. I'll just do this and always difficult to know where exactly to put some stuff. Yeah, let's just put it here. If cover P. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, fine. I really need to fix up the fucking web mode that Emacs has to not do this shit. Where if I use namespace tags, it always closes the unnamespaced one instead of the namespaced one. So yeah, that's kind of annoying as hell. Do we have an unfavored or something icon for that? Let's see. This page takes 3 years to load. Fuck off, asshole. God damn, I hate browsers. Oh, right. Let's see. No, wait. I forget everything. What's the name for the referral thingy? Refer, okay. Okay, good. Very nice. Very nice indeed. All right. Yeah, this is looking solid. Sort of. Happens if I scale this down. Yes. Reactive design, sort of. Sort of. And I wish this would break instead, but that's fine. Wait, actually, because all of this is as one, right? Yeah. I think I need to change that. View description. Um. Right. Yeah, adjusting this to be suitable for mobile devices is going to be another story entirely. For now, main content needs to get out the door. Right. All sorts of shit. Still don't know what to do with the description. So much still left to do. Okay, I think I'm gonna take care of... I think I'm gonna take care of securing everything now. So adding permission checks and all of that jazz. Yes. I mean, a lot of the stuff in the UI is already checked, so that should be fine, as far as I'm aware. For instance, if I log out, then we should now be able to see edits. Yes, good. Actually, before I do anything, let me also shut up. Change the meat upload to be hidden, and this upload to be private. Okay, private, good. Okay, I can still see them, that's good. Logged out, and he can still see them too, that's not good. Yes, that is not good at all. Right, because the endpoints themselves are not permission checked, so that needs to be fixed. Oh boy. There's also this issue. Take care of. Upload, 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 upload. Uploads. Jesus. The data fetching logic is gonna be... Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, so on the front page, I think I can simply get away with not showing anything that's hidden generally. But otherwise, that won't fly, so let me just do this. And... ability 0. Okay, good. That's one thing. Oh god, just thinking about this gives me the willies, or whatever you call it. So, one of the reasons you might be thinking, oh, why is this a problem? Now, one of the reasons this is a problem is because the way query formatting works in Radiance is that dbQuery is a macro, so I can't at runtime inject different kinds of queries, so I need to branch them before the query form, which means I need to repeat a lot of stuff over and over again, which is not that cool. So yeah. It got really excessive. I could probably write yet another macro that took care of that for me, but yeah, I don't know. It's just a pain. Okay, so right. I'll just case this out if date and user equal user and auth current. Then we can select everything, otherwise we need to restrict visibility to this. And then repeat the same thing for this. Actually, let me case this out. Author P. Yes, okay. There we go. Now they're all neatly locked away on this end, but they're still visible here. So this is fine. Right. Now okay. This is completely unnecessary, but let's do it anyway, just for funsies. I could probably just do this. Yep. Wow, amazing. Anyway. Fuck. What happened? What is going on? Oh shit. Crashed things. Thought I was using the whole thing. Fine, let's paste the thing in then. You're still living. What was I doing? Right. Oh, what was the fucking name of the thing? Conditions. Dun. First denied. View image. Let me also. Okay, so views should be protected now. That's good. That works. Except, did I not recompile? Hmm. Oh, right. I didn't do that. Wait, what? Did it not? Ugh. Okay, hold on. Okay, good. Whoops. Whoops. That's not quite how this works. Jeez. How did that not error though? Wow.
Denied.
Whoops. That's not that's not how that works. Jeez. Uh, I wish subseg allowed you to have like -1 for trim the right side, but unfortunately it does not. Should also create a toolkit file. Throw all the trash in there. Sure, date range. There's uploads. Okay. Okay, good. I think the parents downcase things, right? Yes. Okay, now we log in. Come on, I can't keep on mistyping this. Oh, thank you for the kind words. Right, so okay, yeah. So now I can view private things. That's fine. Good. Okay, nice. I should probably make this to not unset, but remove. There we go. Okay, so the front endpoints are now secured, I believe. They should be at least. Back permitted. Da, da, da. Yes. Okay, good. Now for the backend API stuff. Mr. A, right, okay, so... This is already secured, so that's nice. Can you imagine if you had like feathers and then you could just floof yourself bigger if you wanted to? You just increase your volume twofold on command. Sounds pretty sick to me. Anyway, let's see. Okay. I think that does it for the API endpoints as well. Yeah. Okay, cool. So now everything should be properly and nicely secured. Just try submitting something new. Here's a thing. Submit. There it is. Okay. Nice. All works just fine now. ASD. Here things. Alright, we're almost done with everything as far as I can tell. Let me check the git log. Is there a way to make maggot show everything in the log? Like the full commit message? Entire message. No, I wanted to see it inside here though, because I don't know which commit has it. Okay, right. We have validity checks, I think. We have permission checks. We have editing. We have that. Well, it's not automated, but it is working now. So the only thing missing now is some more JS enhancements. I think, what's the to-dos? Yes. Yeah, okay. some cleanup stuff that isn't really important right now, anyway. Yes, okay. So the JS stuff is the only thing left, and then I think we're pretty much done implementing this. Yes. Molto bene. Yes. Right. Mm-hmm. Prefetching, though, is gonna be a bit difficult. Hmm. Mostly because, there is a, so the way things are sectioned right now is done in such a way that there's basically two different ways to paginate, or two different ways to pan through different results. So results, the uploads are sectioned by month, so you can only ever get uploads within for a specific month. But then you have a separate sort of page counting for within that month in case someone has more than the maximum number of results returned for a month. Then you need to page through those as well. So it's not simple, as easy as like incrementing a number to get to the next page, because you need to count the offset for within a month, and then once that's empty, go to the next month and so forth. So it is kind of yes, it's kind of yes. Yeah. Right. I think. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I'll need to think on this. I don't want to do that right now. No thinking for me. This is why I hate doing this, because once you start putting like JS has this kind of really annoying property where at some point you're going to have to insert new HTML elements, and at that point you start inserting information about your layout and stuff into the code of your JavaScript instead of having it separate with the rest of your HTML, and that's that's no bueno. Oh, and I should not have closed this yet. Come on, you slow piece of
MVC
shit.
model broken.
Yeah. MVC sucks balls anyway, but it's still just generally a bad idea in web to clutter things all over the place. It's already a mess as it is. I had a thing to create elements more easily. Let's see, where was it? UI. Because the standard way is so goddamn verbose, it's unbelievable. Yes, I think it was this. Yes, okay, good, yeah. Ugh. Fucking cascading closing parents. Gross. Gross! Ugh. Okay. There we go. That should allow me to prompt things. Once it is properly styled, of course. Plus. And we're already nearing the end of this screen time. 47. Four. Why not? Oh, because, right. How did I fix that? I forget. There we go. That should fix it. Okay. Why is it? Oh, that should be that. Whoops, I did the wrong thing. There we go. That's better.
Unfortunately, I feel like I need to sleep really badly. So I shall head to bed. Good night and good luck getting it perfect.
Thanks. Sleep well. Won't be perfect, but it'll be good enough, I hope. Hmm. Why do I keep doing that? Whoa, what? Why is that margin so huge? What? Hmm. Almost happy with it. Almost. What is it? 1 AM on each side. Maybe. Oh wait, no, that's a margin. Never mind. Margin 0. There we go. Anyway, I'll end this as soon as I got this to not look like complete ass, which will be soon. Like this. Hmm. Maybe this should be. I don't know about that. Maybe in the middle. Yeah, that works better. So then we can make it the 3 3. And we can make these. Uh, Okay, good. Seems to all work. So now if I go, this is a thing, reload that hard, delete, then it just deleted it. Fuck. So much for that working. What? Why not? What? Good prompt. Why was the action? Oh, whoops. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Let's try that again. Hard refresh. It. Delete. Why? The action should be delete in that case. Why is it not? Oh, probably be that. Let me just do it like this. Instead. Why is it still doing it? What? Huh? Is the form like doing it? Or like what? I'm so confused. What? Oh my god. So now this is completely removed. I should now be able to submit things. Okay. So there it doesn't do it. Okay, good. So now. Why? What? What is this madness? Okay. Yeah, it doesn't do it. Alright. We reload it. Okay, good. Even does it there. Huh? I do not understand. So if I go into the static, yes, now it should not show up. Right? Yes. Okay. Okay. How does it still work? What? What is this? Um. Uh-huh. Interesting. Is it like... Is the button not right? Or... No, it is a submit button. Oh, we only ever checked the first one. Okay, that explains some things. Okay. Okay, now we should be good. Okay, submit. Or not. Don't submit, I guess. Submit. Good. Edit. Good. Delete. No. Delete. Yes. Was it loading now? Chunk in string undefined. Okay. Wait, why is it getting redirected to edit again? That's strange. Well, I'll worry about that another day. For now, confirm on delete. There we go. Good. Alright. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that I can get this stuff done before next week. So next week we should have more game dev stuff, hopefully. Yes. Anyway, that's it for Treehouse. Thanks for sticking around, and see you next week, hopefully. Bye-bye.